everyone, my name is Margaret Gaston, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the Alabama Virtual Library, also known as AVL. The Alabama Virtual Library is an online resource for citizens of the state of Alabama. It provides online access to a variety of library and information resources, primarily databases. These databases include magazine, journal, and newspaper articles that are useful for research. AVL uses a technology called geolocation in order to determine if a user is located in the state of Alabama. If a user is authorized using geolocation, he or she is automatically logged into the site. If a user wants to access AVL from outside Alabama, he or she will need an AVL card, which can be obtained from the user's local public library or school library. To access AVL, simply type in www.avl.lib.al.us into your internet browser. This will take you to the AVL homepage. On the right side of the page, you will see links to social networking sites such as Facebook and Twitter, where you can connect with AVL to stay updated on resources. There is also a link to email the help desk if you're having trouble accessing resources. There's also the phone number for AVL for further assistance. On the left side of the homepage, there are links to troubleshooting for access to resources, database descriptions, and information about geolocation. Across the top of the AVL page are links to various types of resources. First of all, there are student resources divided by grade level, such as elementary, middle school, high school students, and college and university students. Let's check on the elementary resources. The elementary resources include databases such as Searchosaurus, Britannica Encyclopedia Elementary School Edition, the Encyclopedia of Alabama, and Kids Infobits. All of these resources can assist elementary school children in research for school projects. Middle school resources include Student Research Center, Britannica Middle School, literature resources from Gale, InfoTrack Student Edition, and World Data Analyst. The resources for high school students provided by AVL include Britannica High School, Medline Plus, Business Index, Opposing Viewpoints, Oxford English Dictionary, Serial Solutions, History Reference Center, and Oxford Reference, among others. The resources for college and university students include PubMed, ProQuest Ethnic News Watch, Business Source Premier, Gale Power Search, and Academic Search Premier. AVL also provides resources for adults. The link to adult resources is located across the top of the AVL site. Once you click on the link entitled Adult Resources, you will then need to click on the Go to Adult Resources link at the bottom of the next page. You can view certain types of resources by clicking on one of the links on the left-hand side. The different types of adult resources include almanacs, dictionaries and encyclopedias, career resources, magazines, maps, and special collections, among others. If you aren't sure which type of resource you need, you can browse all resources by clicking on the View All link. AVL's resources are listed alphabetically, so it is easy to navigate. The adult resources include many of the same resources found on the high school and college resource pages. The first link on the adult resources page is called Alabama Libraries. This link provides a list of most of the college and larger public libraries in the state, allowing you to view the catalogs of each library listed. This is very helpful if you are trying to locate a particular resource in a library near you. One unique resource provided by AVL is Alabama Mosaic, which is a repository of digital materials dealing with Alabama's history and culture. Alabama Mosaic provides electronic access to digital images from Alabama's archives, libraries, and museums. Perhaps one of the best resources provided by AVL is EBSCOhost search. EBSCOhost allows you to search numerous databases at one time for a particular topic. Let's check out EBSCOhost to see how to search. To select the databases you want to search, click on the Choose Databases link. This brings up a list of all the resources you have access to through AVL. To deselect a database, simply uncheck the checkbox next to it. Once you have made your selection, click OK. In EBSCO, you can conduct either a basic search or an advanced search. Basic search uses a simple search query, like 1 or 2 search terms, whereas an advanced search uses Boolean operators, which are words such as and, or, and not, that help to limit your search, so you can get more relevant results. In the advanced search, you can choose different fields to search, such as author, title, abstract, and subject terms, using the drop-down box in the Find In field. These options limit the search to only the particular part of the citation that you choose to search. Now let's conduct a search to see how EBSCO works. Perhaps you're looking for information about women in the Civil War. In the advanced search, enter Civil War into the first search box. As you can see, once you start typing, EBSCO suggests subject terms, or suggest search terms. One of the ones when you begin typing Civil War is Civil War US. Let's click on that one to use it for our search. In the second search box, enter women. In this example, let's leave the Find In fields blank in order to search the entire citation of the articles. Below the search boxes are more search options for you to use. The default search mode is Boolean phrase, which is what we will use for this example. Let's limit our results by clicking the checkbox next to full text. This will only bring up full text articles in our search results. Once you have selected your search options, click Search. This search gave us more than 11,000 results, so we might need to limit it a little more. You can refine your search by using the tools on the left side of the screen. This search has results dating back to 1899, so let's limit the date some. You can limit the date to a particular year by dragging the left arrow. Let's select the years 2000 to 2013. So you drag the arrow until you reach 2000 and then click Update. This still gives us about 9,000 results, which is still quite a bit much. Let's limit our results by source type. Let's select Academic Journals under Source Type and click Update. This gives us about 400 results. Once you have found an article you want to read, you can click on the title of it to read the abstract or the summary of it. Here is the abstract. This will give you a general idea of what the article is about. If you want to read the entire article, you can download it by clicking on PDF Full Text. This will download a PDF file of the article for you to read or print. Here you can see the PDF document of this article. This will allow you to print the article so you can read it more easily and highlight and make notes as necessary. Now let's go back to AVL. The Encyclopedia of Alabama is another great resource where you can find information on Alabama people, culture, government, education, sports, science, religion, and numerous other topics related to Alabama. History Reference Center allows you to browse and search a variety of topics in American and world history. Informe is a database that provides access to Spanish language periodicals. AVL also provides users access to ebooks. To find ebooks, click on the ebooks link at the top of the AVL site. The first things listed are ebook collections for students in pre-K through 8th grade, such as Discover America and Learning Library, among others. Next are listed single ebooks for pre-K through 8th graders. And finally, ebooks for 9th graders through adults. In this section, you can browse different databases for ebooks on a particular topic, such as science, business, government, history, literature, and many others. That's all for this session. The Alabama Virtual Library is a valuable resource for both students and adults who are doing research. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.